Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to fill in skills detail on your Jobstreet. So if you guys a Jobstreet user and then you want to fill in your skills detail shown in your profile, I'm going to show you how. So to go to the skills option, you just need to go to your profile, and then in this list of menu at the left panel, just click on skills, and then here to edit them, just tap on this pencil icon to edit them. Click on this, and then here you can change your list of skills, or you can add a new skill by clicking this option, add skill, and then type in your keyword, for example, recruitment and selection, like so, and then click on save. When you're done, you can also change the previous your previously added skills, like probably this. You can change the proficiency, for example, um, like so, or you can delete a skill by click on this trash icon, and when you're done, just click on save. Okay, so just like that, that is how you can fill in your skills detail on your Jobstreet. Okay, that's it from me. If you got any question, feel free to drop it in the comment. And if you like the video, don't forget to click the thumbs up icon and also subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.